Okay, so we're gonna do a fidget haul. So first we're gonna start with like the poppets and stuff. So first we have Harper's, which is my little sister's, which you know. Okay, so the poppets, these is Harper's, and this is also Harper's. So, and then this is mine, and it's a hard shell. So, such a satisfying sound. Okay, so next, it's the same thing, shape, I guess. No, not really. No, it's not. And it has a hole in it. I don't really like this one at all. So I gave it to Harper, so this is actually Harper's too. Like, it pops way too easily. So these three are Harper's. And then we have this one, which is my mom's. Where she kind of like wants me to play with it and keep it in my backpack. So then this one is mine. I got it for my birthday from my best friend, Emma. So, yeah. And then I got this one in a fidget trading with a girl in my class. I don't really like the offer because the bad side is really bad. Like, really bad. And then I had to trade three poppets for it, which I'm also not happy about. So, yeah, but it is good. I like it. And then I have this Simple Dimple, the classic. So my dimples, I'm kind of like going into those. I don't know why, because I still have 2 more poppets left. So these are the dimples. I have these 2 poppets, which I think I showed this one at the beginning of the video. I don't know. Could have been in a different video. Yeah, this one has like a really bad pop in the bad side. But I also like that one, and it's also, I also got that one for my birthday. I got this one at the mall with my friend, Emma, again. So, it's not bad. I used to think it was bad, but it's really not. And then we're gonna move on to like, we've got a few monkey noodles. Ow! Quite a few monkey noodles. And then these are like food things, which I'll show you in a second. Ooh. Okay, so we've got monkey noodles. Okay, so, okay. Monkey noodles. I think everybody should have those. And this monkey noodle. Right. And then we've got ramen noodles. They're like a food, Fidget. You can't actually eat them though, of course, because they're Fidgets. Okay, moving on. And then, pop tube. Oh, let's that pop to make sure it doesn't run away. I just found another one. All right. Yeah. So, monkey pop tubes. Okay, and then we've got like more of the like by itself thing. So I've got this foam squishy, which are the only ones I'm allowed to have because I pop squishies a lot. A lot. Okay, so, and then I have this fidget cube. I got it from Walmart. Okay. So. And then, got these magnetic rings. Oh my gosh. The washer is making like this really weird bird sound. Yeah, okay. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay. So now we have this ball that I got from Target. Yes. And then we've got this puzzle ball that I got from my neighbor. Okay. Well then.